Alright, so this is the job today. It's a Trailblazer, and the owner says that it's got a knock. It's got like a noise coming from the engine, and he took the serpentine belt off to see if one of the pulleys was making the noise, and he said that the noise is there even with the serpentine belt off, and so then it's a noise that comes from the engine. Then it's not pulleys or things like that, it's a noise that comes from the engine. And first thing that I'm checking is the engine oil level, and this car here, I don't see any oil on the dipstick though, and I'll show it to you here. There is no oil on the dipstick. Let's see. You see, no oil on the dipstick here. This is not good. What I'm going to do is start the truck with like it is not now. I'm not going to put any oil in it right now because I'm just going to start it and listen to the engine and see what I can hear, and then once I hear the noise, then I'll turn off the truck, and then I'll put engine oil in it, and then I'll start it back up again to see if the noise went away or if the noise stayed. I'll look for where it's coming and listen to the engine with a, what is it called? I'll show you the tool. It's one of those things that doctors use. They put it to listen to your heart and things like that, but we mechanics have one of those. And so I'm going to use that and listen to the engine, where it's coming, where the noise is coming from. But first I'm just going to start it and see where the noise is coming from. Okay, I can hear the noise, and it's also like kind of misfiring. That means that it's the valve lifting, because I can hear it right now. But let's turn it off and then put some more engine oil in it. Okay, it takes 5W30. Let's see if I have 5W30 engine oil here. I got a quote here. This is 520. Okay, and we'll have more here. What's this? Okay, 530. Got this. This is also 530. Okay. Okay, let's check for this. Okay, still no oil on the dipstick. Let's add more. Check it again. Still no oil. Oh my god, still no oil on the dipstick. More oil. No wonder it's making noises. Still no oil on the dipstick now. Okay, let's see if I have more 5W30. This one. Yay! 530. We'll use that. Yes! Good thing I keep oil in my van. Please tell me that. Okay, so now I can see a little bit of oil. Engine oil level is at minimum right now. Okay, so it's in the middle right now. Can you see it? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to add more. Right there. Yeah, I have no more oil. Hopefully the noise goes away with this. But if the owner has driven this truck with that noise for a while now, most likely the lifters are bad now. Also like piston rings, valve stem seals, things like that. So never let your car starve out of engine oil. One of the simplest things to check for, and one of the deadliest one to kill your engine. I still hear the noise, but I'm going to leave it running a little bit to see if the valve lifters can suck in all that oil in them and get working right. But the shaking is going away a little bit. It's shaking a little bit, but not as much as when I started it the first time. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's been like 2 minutes and the noise is still there, but it sounds like it's one lifter or like one valve rocker arm. Yeah, the noise is coming on the back here, on the back of the engine. So I'm gonna call the customer and see what he says. Okay, so the owner decided to just leave it like that, and this job is not something that I do because I only focus on maintenance. Now I'm going home. All right. Like this video, share this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel. I upload videos like this on my channel, and I upload mostly videos about how to grow your mobile mechanic business, and also videos for customers, like things like this, just some things that I see on the field that you should take care of, like check your engine oil. I recommend to check the engine oil every 2 weeks for cars like this, for cars that consume oil, things like that. I upload on my channel. So like, share, subscribe, comment, and see you next time. See you in the next video.